The BEAMNOVA 50mm square pin badge maker feels like a tiny dream factory. Its light blue finish looks quite inviting. This compact machine transforms plain supplies. It creates unique, wearable art easily. Indeed, it brings your designs to life. Furthermore, setting up this button maker is simple. It does not demand complex steps. Thus, even new crafters can succeed. This makes it a great starting point. Firstly, operating the BEAMNOVA 50mm square pin badge maker is remarkably smooth. You simply place your materials. Then, a gentle press makes a perfect badge. The mechanism feels very solid. Moreover, 100 sets of button supplies are included. This means immediate creativity awaits. You do not need to buy extras initially. Consequently, you can start crafting right away. It truly is a comprehensive kit. This BEAMNOVA 50mm square pin badge maker offers endless possibilities. It creates personalized gifts quickly. You can also make promotional items alternatively. Craft unique party favors. Therefore, your creative vision expands. Finally, it makes DIY projects accessible to everyone. This machine empowers your artistic side. It is a fantastic tool for crafting. Pros: easy to use, well built, presses clean. Professional looking buttons, comes with 100 sets of supplies, hand press feels sturdy and smooth. Beginner set for making buttons, able to get up and running quickly, happy with the results. Magnets are good quality, makes great gifts, works like a dream. Awesome product for the price. Cons: not worth the price, low success rate for usable buttons, plastic parts may not last, missing. Included items: handle feels weak and breaks easily, loud cracking and popping noises, no. Product packaging: shells arrived spilling out, requires precise image cutting features. Square button maker, includes 100 button sets 50 by 50mm button size, hand press operation, pin. Badge making, DIY craft item, light blue color, easy to use, complete kit, for creative projects. The BEAMNOVA square button maker is a light blue machine that lets you make your own buttons. It comes with everything you need, including 100 sets of supplies to make 50 by 50mm square buttons. This hand press machine is easy to use and perfect for making pin badges or other DIY craft items. For your creative projects, the BEAMNOVA square button maker machine is an easy to use kit for beginners to make buttons. It comes with 100 sets of button supplies and is designed to create clean, professional looking buttons. While the hand press feels sturdy and operates smoothly, some users have reported issues with the machine's durability, a low success rate for usable buttons, and missing parts. Additionally, the handle may be weak, and the machine can be noisy during use. The product's packaging has also been a concern, with some supplies arriving spilled. It also requires precise image cutting,